Within 4 hours of the video being posted on CVM's Facebook page, it had garnered some 177,000 views, some 8,000 shares, and over 2,500 likes. On the matter of likes, majority of persons weighing in on the story lauded the mother for what they say was her tell-all style, particularly about her efforts in trying to steer 23-year-old Rushing along the straight and narrow path. This story was first aired during CVM News Monday evening, when word emerged about one of the first reported shootings in Clarendon for the year.
It was a case of robbery. They attempted to rob a businessman and he was fatally shot.
The mother was not quick to the scene Monday afternoon when news of her son's death reached her, but she was swift to express to lawmen the problems she had with him.
So now you're at a...
Yeah! 9 years!
And while other relatives sought to counter the story of his demise, the mother, who said she is a Christian, challenged any who held a view which differed from hers.
Don't talk about Mark, you know, keep. You know what I'm doing night time? What am I doing night time? You don't shot in the night time? I'm going to bust your head.
All right, calm down, calm down.
Let the police them kill me. Go.
All right, calm
Go
down.
away!
Calm down.
You know, go away!
Clearly angry and hurt, the mother attempted to get access to the corpse, but lawmen were wary of the plans she had for the body and would not allow her beyond the cordoned area.
Then I won't let me can't
Go
go.
back, but you can't go in there.
Won't let me can't go. And I'm here bury you, that's all. Me tell you no more. Come in, tell him before I'm dead. Me say, when you're dead, you can't hear and you can't, you know, you're not going to know. But if you're dead, this is October, girl, and I'll bury, because somebody, me not bury you. Me not in a nice pool and tell me when to come bury no boy when I work. Me say go work, no I work.
One resident at the scene also weighed in on the alleged robbery by one of their own.
That's wrong. You can't thief in your own area. Is it? You have to use your common sense.